First question. Hi, Heather. There have been a few recent posts about how to avoid binging during PMS time. I know you mentioned bringing calories to maintenance. Any other tips? Thank you for all you do. So I am including for this webinar 305 the link to the Ask Coach Heather for Monday. So if you have not had a chance, this is perfect timing for you. Go to Monday's episode. It was released on 10/29. Ask Coach Heather. I actually broke this down for one of our listeners of the show. I'll give you a really quick high level thought on that. One is maintenance calories. Two, it's reducing the stress during that time of the month. I go into more detail in the actual webinar, or I'm sorry, the show that went out on Monday. It is also reducing exercise intensity or frequency. All of these things need to be addressed in order to help you with, say, more bingy behavior during that time of the month. Okay. But like I said, I give a lot more detail in that particular Ask Coach Heather. It's Ask Coach Heather number 30. And again, it was released on October 29th, 2018, this Monday. Okay.